Big news for YouTube creators. You can now add multiple thumbnails to your YouTube videos. By adding multiple thumbnails, you can attract more viewers, increase likes, comments, and boost overall watch time. Take advantage of this powerful tool to optimize your content and grow your audience on YouTube. YouTube has added a new test and compare feature, which lets creators upload and test multiple thumbnails for their videos. Creators can upload up to 3 different thumbnails for a single video. YouTube then shows these thumbnails to different viewers and analyzes which one performs best in terms of click-through rate and watch time. Based on the data, you can see which thumbnail performs best and choose that one as your official video thumbnail. Instead of guessing which thumbnail will work best, creators can use actual data to pick the right one.